Hi guys, welcome back to a new video on this channel. Today in this video I'm going to talk about how to make sure that your cold emails does not land in the spam folder. So what happens is whenever you create a new account on Gmail or for the matter of fact, let's say whenever you create a new account on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook or for a fact any other social media, what happens is uh, there are some constraints put on your account. There are some limitations put on your account because it is a completely new account, so that you cannot go around messaging people. And the limitations are put in place to avoid spamming, to avoid spam in social media and to avoid spam in any other platform, whichever platform you are using. So the bottom line is you cannot send mass mails or mass messages to people just after you create an account in that specific platform. So what you need to do to avoid this, to avoid getting your emails landing in spam, is you need to warm up your email. So what is email warm up? So email warm up is a process that you do with your email address, be it a domain based email address or like a free Gmail address. What you need to do is you need to do an email warm up. So email warm up is basically you send emails. It is completely automated. You don't need to do it manually. You send emails and you get reply for those emails, and it's completely automated. It's scheduled by any system that you use, and it makes sure that you do it on a regular basis. So Gmail or whichever platform you are using gets to know that you are a legit account and you are not trying to spam anyone or send mass emails or something like that you are using it for professional purposes only. So that's why you need to use email warm up softwares to warm up your email address before you go out on cold outreach or cold emails, before you start sending out cold emails. So here I have a tool called snob.io. So basically when you go to snob.io, you get to see somewhat like this. Let me just go ahead to snob.io and show you how the landing page looks like. So this is the landing page. So first of all, you need to click on login or sign up. First of all, you need to click on sign up, obviously, because you don't have an account. Once you create an account, just log into the account and you'll get to see a dashboard like this. Alright, so then go to this fire icon over here. Go to this, click on this fire icon over here, and you will get to see two options: all warm-ups and new warm-up. So let me just go to all warm-ups first, because I have already created a warm-up and I don't need to create one. But in your case, you can just directly go to new warm-up and set up a warm-up. Alright, so let me just go to all warm-ups, and you can see I have added my email and it's active, and the strategy I have selected for this is progressive, and it has sent 8 by 8 emails today. Reply rate I have set to 45% and deliverability is 100%. Alright, so this is the this is the warm-up setup that I have done for this particular email address. Now you can add one more, you can add mailbox just by clicking on add mailbox. And it is just a step-by-step process. It takes you it walks you through the step-by-step process, and it's very simple. So now, as you can see, there are no more slots for mailbox left because I am using the free plan. You can also use the free plan. It's very simple and it's very easy. You don't need to pay for it. You can click on this and watch the entire tutorial on how to set up an warm-up campaign. It's very simple and it's very easy. So this is the thing that you can do and you need to do to make sure your emails don't land up in the spam folder. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one.